If you've ever found the new Chrome download bubble a bit distracting or just prefer the older style, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to disable the Chrome download bubble with a couple of easy methods, and you'll even have the old download bar back if you want it. Let's jump right in and walk through the process together. First up, let's focus on the most straightforward method, changing a setting right within Chrome itself. Go ahead and open up Chrome on your computer, just like you normally would. Now, look in the top right corner of your browser window and you'll see that familiar three-dot menu icon. Click on that to open up the main menu. From here, find and click on Settings. It's usually toward the bottom of the drop-down list. Once you're in the Settings page, take a glance over on the left side. There's a menu with different options and you'll want to click on Downloads. This is where Chrome keeps all the options related to how files are handled after you download them. You'll see a setting that says, Show downloads when they're done. By default, this is switched on, and that's what triggers the bubble to pop up every time you grab a new file. To turn off the download bubble, simply toggle this setting off. What happens here is Chrome switches from displaying that larger animated bubble to a smaller icon that appears briefly but disappears automatically. The download itself will complete as normal. There's no risk of losing your files or missing important notifications. You're just going to enjoy a cleaner browsing experience with fewer pop-ups interrupting your workflow. If you're someone who likes things a bit more streamlined, this setting is exactly what you're looking for. Now, sometimes you'll find that the setting might not be available, or perhaps you want the previous download bar back instead of just hiding the bubble. Don't worry, there's another reliable method you can use, especially if you're on Windows. This method involves tweaking the shortcut that launches Chrome, and it can feel a bit more techy, but I'll guide you through step by step. First, find the Chrome shortcut you usually use. This could be on your desktop, your Start menu, or even pinned to your taskbar. Right-click on that icon, and from the menu, choose Properties. This brings up a window with several tabs at the top. You'll want to be on the one labeled Shortcut. Look for the target field. It shows the path to Chrome's application file, and will look something like SEPA program files, Google+Chrome+application+Chrome.x. Here's where we make the magic happen. Put your cursor at the very end of this line, right after the closing double quote. Add a space, then type Disable Features, Download Bubble. So, your line should now read Chrome.exe, Disable Features, Download Bubble. Once you have that typed in, click Apply. You may see a prompt asking for administrator permission. Just continue. Finally, hit OK to close the Properties window. This part might take a few moments, and don't worry if you accidentally make a typo. You can always edit it again until it's right. Now, the last step is simple but important. Close Chrome completely, and then reopen it from your modified shortcut. If you use a shortcut pinned to your taskbar, you'll need to unpin it first, then repin the newly edited shortcut to make sure the change sticks. Once Chrome relaunches, you should notice the download bubble is gone, and you'll get the classic download bar along the bottom instead. And that's it. Whether you prefer the easy settings tweak or the shortcut edit, you now have control over how Chrome handles downloads. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And don't hesitate to drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into a hiccup. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your smoother Chrome experience.